Greetings for the day, children. How are you, all of you? Welcome back in your online classes. Hope you're enjoying. So, today we are starting the concluding part. Yes, today we will complete this chapter. Hope you remember what we had studied till yet through a colored glass. This is the story of R.K. Lakshman, the famous cartoonist and illustrator. So, we studied that he was living in Mysore. He saw the life, the world through the different colors. He was feeling very weird, very strange, very frightening. Green and red and blue colors. By these three colors, he saw the world, now saw the nature, and only the green color was appealing him. Later on, he started making drawing, and he was not a good student, but the teacher appreciated his drawing because he was a very keen eye. He observed the leaves very carefully. Later on, as he grown up, he was attracted towards the crow. Yes, the bird crow, because he find the bird very confident. Other birds flew away whenever they saw any human being, but crow was there. It never flew away, so he liked this confidence of that crow, and he started making the drawings of crow in individual, in groups, in hundreds. And one of his painting of crow was still sold out in the Iceland. He was an international painter, and his painting was famous all over the world. At about the age of 9 or 10, he decided to become an artist. Okay, so he started earning also at that age only. Now, starting with the concluding part. So, starting my remaining chapter with Narayan's story. Now, who is Narayan? If you remember, two brothers were there, Mr. R.K. Lakshman and Mr. R.K. Narayan. Mr. R.K. Narayan is a famous author, and he writes the famous stories especially for the children. One of his famous stories, Malgudi Days, Swami and his friends. Yes, so when Narayan's stories began to get published in the Hindu Madras. Now, what is the Hindu Madras? It is the name of the newspaper. Yes. So at that time they were in the Madras state, Madras city. He asked me to illustrate them. I knew exactly what he wanted and whom he had in mind for his characters. Didn't we belong to the same place? Haven't I spent hours in every spot around us, including the busy market square? As I drew hundreds of pictures, I picked up the technique quite naturally. So, what did R.K. Lakshman started doing? He started making the images for the stories that were written by Mr. Narayan. Okay, so for that pictures, he take the ideas from the markets, from the very busy market, from the different places that are demanded in the story by Mr. Narayan. The techniques, he used the different techniques for the drawing. Trial and error taught me to use brush and paint and ink. Trial or error means whenever you are starting anything, you are not at all perfect at the first time. So that is your trial things, and that is full of error also. The process of solving a problem by trying various methods until you find a method that is successful. So we try again and again different ways, and finally we get the best way. So here also, by using the different techniques, Mr. Lakshman learned to use a brush, paint and ink. Other beside Narayan began to ask me to illustrate their stories for them. So other people also appreciating my illustration, and they also want me to make drawings for them also. After this, I tried getting job as a cartoonist in New Delhi. The Hindustan Times told me I was too young to be a newspaper cartoonist. Again, Hindustan Times is the name of a famous English newspaper. He tried there for the job of cartoonist, but they denied. They said that Mr. R.K. Lakshman is too young for the newspaper cartoonist. I was more successful in Bombay. So after getting no job in Delhi, he switched to Mumbai. Nowadays, Bombay is known as Mumbai. I got work in the Bliss and the Free Press Journal. Again, these are the name of the newspapers, magazines. Beside cartoons, I did comic strips telling the stories of Tantri the magician and other heroes. Very soon, I made a name for myself and joined a big English newspaper, The Times of India. Yes, this is the newspaper which gave him a name, fame, everything, and for his whole life he worked there only. For 47 years, I have been drawing cartoon for its front page. A stamp was brought out to celebrate the 150th year of this newspaper. You know what is a stamp? When we post the letter, we put a stamp. That stamp can be of any price. It can be of 5 rupees, 2 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees also. 50 rupees even also. So a stamp was brought newspaper, and the stamp was brought out to celebrate the 150th year of this newspaper, and the picture on it was one of my cartoons. That was the great achievement and the grand way of appreciation that was given to him by the Times of India. Yes, I have worked very hard and long, but I have not forgotten that you can see the world through pieces of colored glass. Remember here, he is telling something about his childhood when he had seen the world through that colored glass. Nor have I lost my love for those noisy blackbirds. Who are the blackbirds? Crow. Blackbirds are the crow. That is his childhood fascination, which are always around us, managing to survive. Yes, nobody liked the bird crow. Everybody liked pigeon, parrot, peacock, other birds, but nobody is appreciating crow. I continue to paint crow with as much enjoyment as I did on those long days, long ago, days of carefree childhood. He's telling that during his childhood, when there was no stress, less work, enjoyment is there. At that time he was making crow, and still now he is making the drawing of the crow. When each day was exciting, every hour brought adventure. Yes, he is telling the childhood love, the childhood fascination, that the day started with the excitement, with the enthusiasm. Every hour, we, the children, always want to do some adventure, something nice, something interesting, something adventurous. So, here the childhood chapter is over. I hope you enjoyed. Now, here in the last, it is written by, abridged as told by Gauri Ramanarayan. So, here this is story converted by the person Gauri Ramanarayan. He take the interview of Mr. R.K. Lakshman and prepare this chapter for you. Hope you enjoyed this chapter and liked this chapter.